Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can solve common global dialog issues. Many of the calls that we get in tech support are related to managing the global dialog specifically, and I'd like to show you some of the ways that we help other users solve problems. I have a sample document open, and I'm going to cause and then solve some of the most common global dialog issues that we see. The first and most common is that the text in the global dialog will become very, very tall. And this occurs because the window itself is very, very tall. And so you see that with this kind of global dialog, it's very difficult to see what you're editing, and you might have to make the window even wider than normal to accommodate even part of the text. However, solving this issue is so much easier than it looks at first glance. Simply move your cursor to the top of the global window until you see the double-sided arrow, and then drag the cursor window down back to the correct size. And at this point, if you'd like to, you can make it bigger or smaller so that it meets your needs. The next most common global dialog issue is that you will be missing all of the options at the bottom of the window, and you'll only see the text box. And to solve that, and also to cause that problem, I'm going to click on the icon in the top left, choose Customize, and I'll move the Customize dialog over, and if I uncheck Show All, you see that those options go away, and I can simply check Show All again to make them reappear. So if you find yourself with a global dialog missing all of the options, it will still work via keyboard just like it always does. However, if you're a person who needs those buttons back, just click on the icon, choose Customize, and then Show All. And the third most common issue that we see with the global dialog is that the window will be lost off screen completely somehow. If I put my cursor on a word and global it, and the word highlights, and the focus is taken away from the main Eclipse window, but I don't see my global window, it probably is opened. It's just off screen somehow. So in order to fix that, I can open up the Windows menu by pressing Alt Spacebar. I can then press M for Move. And then if I press any arrow key on my keyboard, the global window is then attached to my cursor, and I can move it anywhere that I'd like it to go and click to place it in that location. And so again, I'll press Alt Spacebar, M for Move, and then if I simply use the arrow keys, I can move the window manually using the arrow keys, or once you've moved it with an arrow key, it simply attaches to your cursor, and you can move it wherever you'd like, and click to release it. There are many other windows that the Alt Spacebar trick will work on if you think they're missing off screen. The easiest way to practice this is with one of these global dialogs on screen, and then just following the keystrokes while you can see the global window. And so Alt Spacebar, M for Move, any arrow key, and now it's attached to my cursor and I can place it and click anywhere I'd like it to reside. And at that point, I can return to Customize, and if I'd like, I can anchor it to that specific position so that it never gets lost again. Don't forget that we offer anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.